On a cloudy spring day in Germantown, Maryland, Minkoff Development Corporation partnered with Montgomery College to host a Cyber Escape Room Challenge. The contest had teams competing to solve computer-based puzzles.
It was a time challenge where we would solve various problems relating to cybersecurity. We had to uncover passwords based off of clues and images, and there would be various puzzles we have to solve based off of the information.
You had to find the pins, and when we used like a thermal tool, from the faintest in to the warmest, we were able to find the passcode.
This challenge obviously had a cybersecurity theme to it, and for good reason. The importance of having strong cybersecurity is only growing.
With the way the world is today, everybody has a device in their hand or a device they're using to communicate, to do their work. All those devices have security problems in them. There is not a secure device anywhere.
Employers within cybersecurity are always looking for qualified applicants, and Montgomery College's cybersecurity program knows that just having a degree alone may not be enough to set you apart from others.
It's some of these events like this, escape room, and different competitions that are really going to set students apart for future employers. So this is going to show on their resumes that they participated in these type of events.
And events like this are important not just for the attendees, but all of us in general.
An activity like today brings education to young people to try to get more in the cyber field. The up-and-coming kids that are going to school are very smart. They are going to be the defenders of the future like I was once many, many years ago.
The winners of the challenge received some spending money provided by PICMC, and everyone on site got valuable opportunities to network. People were able to meet up and learn about job openings and get recommendations. Speakers at the event also gave some great tips.
What I really enjoyed was some of the resume advice they gave. And some students they all take the same classes. So how do they set themselves apart?
Resume writing is one of the things we're finding is the most important. Make sure you say what you did, what the outcome was, what the impact is.
If you're interested in cybersecurity and events like this, Montgomery College has a web page full of information, including a calendar listing upcoming activities. Just go to montgomerycollege.edu and search Cybersecurity News and Events.